Set your watch, mark your calendar. It's one of those regular things around the city, even for people who don't have cars. Alt-side parking is a daily dance. Depending on the street and the side of the street, the shuffle could be twice a week in some places. Now Mayor de Blasio says that's going to change.
We have to change the status quo on the biggest issues of fairness and justice, and right down to the everyday issues, the kitchen table issues, the issues that affect you and your neighborhood on your block.
Streets that have multiple alternate street parking days would be cleaned on the last day posted on the current street sign. This starts next week and will go week to week, depending on street conditions.
I hope this will prove to be as common sense as I think it is, and be something we can institute long term. And again, we'll only turn on alternate side parking when we need it during this crisis, but I want to make it easier on people when it is in effect.
The NYC Economic Development Corporation reported in 2018 that 45% of households in the city own cars. On the map, darker blue means more car owners. The study found only 27% commute with those vehicles. As word circulates around, drivers appreciate the break on that, but many have pointed out on Twitter, especially some transit advocates and street safety people, are asking the mayor to be as bold when it comes to decisions about bus lanes and bike lanes and moving traffic around the city.